I think the only pet I could handle would be the one that had on and off switch and ran on batteries. Oh, time to tuck this little one into bed.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Definitely. Time to bolt.
It's perfect.
So, Ruby, I found some really great stuff we could use.
What do you think?
It's, kind of big and not exactly cuddly.
It's really cool, though. Look at the wings and the super spider legs and the cute little puppy face. Best of all, it's really easy to take care of. That green button turns it on, but if Anna's too busy, she can just hit this red button and turn it off. See? Fluffy, stop! I don't remember programming it to do that.
Wait, this is not what I planned to do today. Ruby!
Rusty, are you okay?
Just, I'd like to get back to the lab now.
Wait, I've got something. Remember how Anna got that monkey to come to her?
You mean by singing that song?
Yes, I recorded it. Hold on. All right, Fluffy, come on down.
Monkey, monkey, love. Monkey, monkey, bright.
Is it working? That's as loud as my speakers go.
No, we can't even hear it.
Modified, customized, Rubified. The songs to speaker 8000. Don't worry, Rusty. I'm going to play Anna's song through the songs to speaker 8000. You ready?
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.